Cynthia. Welcome to my channel. I thought I would do a quick little tutorial today on how to use the 3D printed zipper jigs that I sell in my Etsy shop. Have a bunch of fun colors to try out. I offer more in my shop. If you have a 3D printer yourself, you can print this out for free, or if you know someone that has one, your husband, son, they can print them out for you. They do take about 3 hours to make just one. And then sometimes the filament can get tangled. Usually happens to me halfway, and then I gotta restart the thing all over again. But even some libraries have access to a 3D printer, so definitely try to do that. If not, you can purchase them from my Etsy shop. I sell them for $20. That includes shipping. I put them in a box with a bunch of bubble wrap, so it'll get there safe. And let's see. I'll be using Zoral zipper pulls for today. I'll make sure to tag them down below. They have a bunch of fun different ones, something for everyone. And I'll be using zipper tape from Lauren Marmino. And for these, they fit number 3 and number 5 zipper pulls. If you want them to be kind of non-stick, you can just glue on a scrap piece of like sticky vinyl, I would suggest. I have no issue with them. They don't really slide around for me. I put one at each machine. My cutting table, I kind of have them all over, so I can just kind of grab it and go. Whatever makes it quicker. So this is gonna be the front side. This is gonna be the back side. Okay, so this is the front and this is the back. This is gonna go right side up. This faces you. This goes to the back. This faces you, and this is right side up on the back. You're gonna spray check your zipper tape with the lighter. I'm gonna put them in at an angle, if you can see right here. And you want them to kind of go in evenly. And you're just gonna kind of tug down, pull. So let's see if you can see a little better with the pink one. Again, facing you. This is the back of the zipper tape. And pull down. That's really pretty. Okay, last one. Again, these fit number 3 and number 5 zipper pulls. All right, let's see. Again, at an angle is key. And you're just gonna pull down. Super simple. All right, guys, thank you so much. If you like the video or have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I'll go ahead and be doing another live sew along probably Friday to another heart bag. I kind of just do orders, so if you guys want to hang out while I sew up some orders, I'll be doing some clothes too. And thank you for hanging out, guys.